50 years of life, 50 years of laughter, 50 years of unforgettable memories. Today, we celebrate an incredible man, Les, a devoted husband, a loving father, a loyal friend. Les, this one's for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to celebrate the 50th birthday of my brother, Mr. Leslie Banky Williams.
Here's your Uncle Banky.
At 50, you just started. Your passion, energy, and wisdom are as vibrant as ever.
Banky, I'm so happy about today. Blessed be the day you were born, and blessed be the day that I met you. And he's always on the other side. And I love you so much. I'm praying for another 50 years.
Here is to 50 years of memories, laughter and love, and to many more years to come ahead.
And I wish you nothing but more joy, happiness, 50 more wonderful years of friendship, love, and happiness to you.
Happy birthday, mate.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday with love, your family and friends.